How to trade options on Plus500. Follow the instructions. Go to the Plus500 website or app and create an account using your personal details. Complete the identity verification process by uploading required documents. Log into your verified account and access the trading platform. Search for the asset you want to trade options on, such as a stock index or commodity. Select an option contract like a call or put based on your prediction and preferred expiry date. Review the contract details including strike price, premium, and expiration. Choose buy if you expect the asset price to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. Enter the amount you want to invest and set optional risk management tools like stop loss or take profit. Double-check all the trade information before confirming the order. Open the position and monitor or close it when you are ready based on market movement or your strategy. Thank you for watching.